All right, we're live, guys. Everybody's present.
Sweet.
Okay.
Right on.
Okay, so uh, any questions? Anything that you guys want to address from the preparation assignment?
I just wanted to standard deviation and the sample variance.
Okay.
I kind of get confused between those two. And on the key answer, or the answer key, it says that the sample variance is just the sample standard deviation squared. So is all you have to do is square the standard deviation and then that's the sample variance?
Did you watch the videos that they give you after the individual assignment?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think he did a pretty good job of explaining it there, where he found like the average age, and then so it was like 13, 15, 17, 19, and 21, and he found the average age to be 17, and then did 21 minus 17, 19 minus 17, and went all the way down. And then once you square it, that's the sample variance.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. And that's what I thought it was, but I just wanted to double check.
Okay. I don't know. Like I said, the answer sheet was a little kind of weird on it, but I think what I wrote is it's an unbiased representation of population variance. It's a measure of the spread in the data. It is a simple standard deviation squared, just like what it said. But you were asking about the standard deviation or the sample variance. You were asking about both?
Well, just the sample variance.
Oh,
so I need to square the standard deviation to get the sample variance.
Okay. I think the standard deviation is a little more, tricky to get because all the different calculations you have to do to get to it. But
yeah.
Yeah. Thank goodness for Excel, right?
It's thank goodness for Excel because you just equals deviation and highlight all the numbers you want to put in and that's it. Okay, so anything else?
A quick question about the box plot. So there's supposed to be the highs and lows, and then if there's anything outside of that, does that just mean that they're outliers, or what's up with if there's numbers outside of the high and low?
Yeah, there are outliers. Well, there's a box which is in between the 50%. So you have a very low, and then the box, and then the 50% or whatever inside, and then the top of the box, and then you got a whisker up on top, and whatever it's out there, past that, I think they're outliers.
Okay.
I think.
Basically, is like if I understand right, the box is basically like the bulk of the data, basically.
Okay. Okay, I think that makes sense.
I think it's a great way to give you a summary of the 5 number.
Mm-hmm.
It's a graph that kind of represents the 5 numbers, just because the whiskers and the lines in the box.
Right.
But like McKay said, everything outside of that whisker, it's something that's not in the bulk of the data.
Okay. Sounds good. Sorry.
Okay, so any other question, anything, and we should go through the quiz.
I think I'm good.
I'm ready to do the quiz.
Yeah, quiz sounds good.
Okay, I gotta find the quiz first. So before we start, I think that Monday and Wednesday, they're perfect. Is that okay for you guys, the time and the day?
For me, it works.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I do. I like how it's the day before the actual due date. I think that relieves a lot of stress. So.
Right.
Noah, does it work for you?
Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
Now, you guys know that you have they're allowed two tries for the quiz, no?
We are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Even the quiz you had to take on your own, and I think it records whatever score, the score.
Mm-hmm. Just if you haven't made it to the quiz yet, when you open it up and scroll down, they'll have you download an Excel sheet. So
Oh, okay.
we'll probably be using that.
Wow, 16 questions. We're gonna be busy tonight.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so the first two questions, I guess it's just personal.
Yep.
Okay, this wrong side, wrong patient, is this the one that you were talking about?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So that means we'll need the quantitative descriptive statistics Excel sheet, right? To figure that out.
I think just it downloads it right into Excel. That Excel should be fine.
Right.
Okay.
You know, I gotta tell you, just download a new version of Excel, well, Microsoft Office on my iMac, and I had to add a bunch of stuff because for some reason, I couldn't um, create histograms or anything like that. So.
I can't create histograms. I can do the 5. What's it called? The 5. Whatever those are called.
Summary.
Yeah, those.
Okay. There are some. There's a place. I think it's file. And if you go to insert, something that's called My Ads In, and I think you can go to the store and they can add it. Whatever you're missing. I think it's called data analysis or something like that.
Do you have the 2016 version of Excel or the 2011?
No, 2016.
Oh, huh. I'll have to look for that.
For some reason, the 2011 had a conflict with the new operating system on the iMac.
Huh. Good to know.
But okay, so we're all there.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. All right. What's the first question? Number 3.
Yeah. Here, I'll read through the quiz this time.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Number 3. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. Okay. I got $80,041.
Oh wow.
That's what I had too.
Okay.
Are you doing that just right in the spreadsheet it gave us?
Yes, I'd use the average function.
Because I've been having to transfer mine over. So where is the average function at?
So in Excel, I just click equals, and then I click on an empty cell, and then I press equals, and then I start typing average.
It should
Oh,
show up. Yeah.
Yeah, or if you just highlight the cells you want, it'll give you the average of down the bottom. It'll show you the average, the total number, and all of that too.
so if I
Yeah.
type in average and then in the parentheses, would I type 1 to 412?
In the parentheses, you can click on the cell A2, the first spot right underneath where it says wrong site. And then
Okay.
if you hold Shift and do you have a Mac or a PC?
Yeah,
You have
Mac.
a Mac. If you press Command Shift down, it'll go all the way to the bottom, and you can just press Enter.
Oh, thanks.
Yep. I took a class, and it was only in Excel, and so I can do just about anything I want to in that.
Yeah, and I'm horrible. So
You can teach us. Hey, how do you reduce it to 3 decimal places?
Do you see up at the top underneath where it says General or Currency? There's arrows with a whole bunch of zeros.
Is this in insert or page layout for formulas, isn't it?
It's under Home.
Oh, it's on the home. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I found it. Is it let's see.
Click on the arrows. One of them brings one brings decimal points further out, and one of them brings it closer.
Okay, so what was your result?
Originally it was 80,041 and 24 cents, but rounded to the nearest number is 80,041.
Oh,
Yeah,
you want to the nearest number?
Yes.
Oh, whole number, yeah.
Yeah, to
Hold
the
on.
nearest whole dollar.
So 80,041.
Yes. All right.
Got
Are
it.
we all good with that one?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Number 4. Find the median amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
I had 68,086.
I had 68,552.
That's what I had too. 68,552.
Noah, how did you get 68,086?
Well, there were 411 total numbers because one isn't. I sorted them smallest to largest.
Okay.
One obviously has the categories in it, so there's a total of 412. There's actually only 411 numbers. So the median would be the middle one at 206, and when I had it sorted smallest to largest, 206 was 68,086.
Okay. Yeah, I just used the median function,
Okay.
and it
I
gave
guess.
me 68,552.
What was the median function? Equals.
Yeah, I guess that one I didn't know.
Yeah, you just do equals median, open parentheses, and then grab all the cells that you want.
Okay, let me do that for a second. I want to try just to.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm getting familiar with this. Okay. Medium.
Yes. Equals median.
Median. Okay. Median. Okay, and then I just highlight the wrong site.
Yes. All of wrong site.
Hold on a second. I'm a little slow, I know, but that's the only way that I have to learn.
That's all good.
Okay.
Okay.
That's probably the more accurate way of doing it, as opposed to how I did it.
That's just what works for me.
That's probably the right way to do it.
I don't know.
Sorting it the way I did it, that's the next one down.
Oh, okay. Chris,
Yeah,
did you
I need help with 5.
need help with 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's wait for Chris. Chris, did you figure out number 4?
Yeah, for some reason I skipped a number and it was different. Hold on, there you go. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so it gave me 68552.
Let me check.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's question 4, isn't it?
Yes. So number 5, find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. So for this one, there is a formula as well you can use in Excel. It's not as straightforward, but it's equals stdev.s, and then you input all the wrong site information. They
Yeah,
probably,
when you type S, should appear, no?
yeah, I just do stdev, and it comes up.
Yeah, let me. It's kind of slow for some reason scrolling down when I hold the mouse.
You can click the top one and then press Shift and Command and down, and it'll select all of them for you.
Oh,
So did you get 71,404 then?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
Perfect.
Okay. So which of you is the Excel genius?
I guess that's me.
Is that Sean?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry, probably should have said my name.
Good to know.
so you guys 71,404?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. 71,404, and that's number 5. Okay.
Okay. Number 6. I guess before we go to number 6, we should probably all type in the 5, 19, 1, and 3 into Excel so that we can use it, unless we want to use a calculator, but personally I think Excel is just as fast. So, number 6, what is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? Okay, I got my answer as 7 months.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
7 months. Excel is pretty cool.
Yep. Okay, number 7. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is the median survival time in months?
I got 4.
Me too.
Yep.
Okay, it looks like they want us to compute variance by hand for the next couple. So that's going to be fun. Alright. Question 8. Give the number that would be entered into the space labeled A in the table above. Oh, so it's
So that'd be
19.
12.
Yeah, 19 minus the mean.
Haha. Yeah. Thank you, Nathaniel. Yeah.
Alright. Do we all agree 12 for number 8?
Yeah.
Oh, it did, but it's good now.
Okay. Number 9. So basically the same question, but we're trying to find B. So it'd be 1 minus 7 for column 2, which would get us negative 6. Squared is 36.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I should be saving my answers as I go.
You know, that's what I was trying to do. I kind of. Okay, 36.
Give me 1 sec. I'm going to go back and save all my answers so I don't lose them.
You can set them all at the same time, but.
That's true. Alright.
Yeah.
Number 10. What is the standard deviation of the survival times? Oh, give your answer in months rounded to the nearest tenth. Okay. Okay, I got my answer as 8.2.
Yep.
Will you just explain that a little bit? How you got
Oh, I used Excel.
Oh. Okay.
But,
The standard deviation. Let me see. I got it here.
but oh, the
So
way
we
to
have to
find that.
figure out the mean first, which we had. Then subtract the mean from each simple point. Take the number and square it. Add all the square number together, and then that number is divided by the simple size minus 1.
And
Okay,
then,
so to do that by hand, we would have had to fill out the whole chart, right?
yes.
Figure that out? Okay.
So you get 4 plus 144 plus 36 plus 16, and whatever that is, divided by 3. And then from there you would square it, and that's the standard deviation, or take a square root of that, and that would be your standard deviation.
Yeah.
Right.
Which was, sorry, what?
I got 8.2.
Yeah.
So it was probably around 190 was, the squared deviations.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, number 11. So we're supposed to give the 5-number summary for the next 3 questions. Number 11. What is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? So the first number is the minimum, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it 0?
Yep.
Yes. Then the second number is the first quartile.
Right. So it's the 25%. So are you doing that in Excel,
I am.
Sean?
Yes, I am.
How you do that?
For the quartile or the minimum?
No, the quartile.
So for quartile, you type in equals quartile,
Okay.
and it'll give you 2 options, and you choose .exe,
EX. Okay.
and then it'll ask you to choose the array or what you want it to select from, and then the quartile. So you choose B2 to B177, comma 1 for first quartile, and it will give you. I got 3,900.
Okay.
I'm sorry, will you say that again so I can try it out?
Yeah, sure. So you type in equals quartile .exe or just quartile, and it'll give you 2 options, and choose .exe.
Okay.
And then from there, you grab what you want it to choose from. In this case, the wrong patient, B2 to B177. And then once you choose that, it wants to know what quartile, so you press comma to separate it, and then you press 1 for first quartile.
Okay.
Remind me, how do I highlight everything? Command Shift
Yeah, Command Shift, and then you just press down.
and press down. Okay.
We just need a lesson for you to teach us all about.
It took me about 3 months to learn everything, so I could probably teach you the basics in a couple hours.
So what did you get for 12?
For 12, I got 3,900.
39? Okay.
Yep. Did everybody get that same answer?
No, hold on a second. I must have done something wrong. What was the answer?
I got 3,900.
3,900, yeah. And that was number 12.
Yes.
Okay, now the fourth number.
Yeah, so 13, what is the fourth number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? Give a number, run it to the nearest cent. Oh, so it's to the nearest cent, so it's 3,900. We'll have
Oh,
to see if there's... Oh, it's 3,900 even. So we're good with number 12.
all right.
And then 13 will be the
That'll be the third quartile, won't it?
Yes.
Third? Yeah.
And I got 5436.50.
50, 436, 50. Yeah, that's what I got.
I'm kind of a little slow here.
That's okay.
You guys are pros.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, 50, 36, 50?
50, 436,
Oh,
50.
436. Yeah. Okay, so 50, 436, 50. Is that? Okay, what do we got to do here?
Alright, so information. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the United States. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times given estimated number? So that would be the top of the green box, right?
I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay.
What is that?
175, 180, something like that.
I was thinking around 180, so yeah,
180.
somewhere around there.
19. Yeah, 180.
Mm-hmm.
Do we all agree 180 sounds pretty close, pretty good?
yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Question 15. What is the longest observed time of the Redbox customers in the study? Give an estimated number in seconds. About 720.
20, yeah.
A long time to stand at a Redbox kiosk.
I didn't know that they're still around.
Yeah, a lot of just grocery stores. They're just sitting outside.
Yeah, they are all over here where I'm at.
I haven't used one in probably 2 years.
Yeah. All right. Last question. Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean? All right. So the mean is. Wait. No,
Is that
because
100?
we don't know the mean because we know the median.
The
Oh,
median
yeah,
is
yeah. We know the median, yeah.
So based off of what we're given, we don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
So D.
Right.
Yeah.
Cannot be determined.
Right, because
Yeah.
it doesn't tell us how many people. It doesn't tell us how many individuals were in the study.
It only says the seconds, yeah.
Yeah, and I mean we can get a close guess, but we can't know for sure. All right. Do we want to go over the answers really quickly to make sure we have them all the same?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just start at number 3 because 1 and 2 are our own.
I'm just wondering as we look at 16, if the top of that box is supposed to be 187.
It might be, but an estimated number. I think if it's 187, we'll get credit for 180.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, it's hard to.
yeah. So number 3, I have 80,041.
Yep.
Number 4, 68552.
Yep.
Number 5, 71404.
Yep.
Number 6 is 7. Number 7 is 4. Number 8 is 12. Number 9 is 36. Number 10 is 8.2. And that is to the nearest tenth, okay. Number 11 is 0. Number 12 is 3,900. Number 13 is 50436.50. Number 14 is...
Sorry.
That's
Did you
okay.
say 54 or 50?
50436.
Point
0.50.
50436, right?
Yes.
0.5.
0.5.
0.5, yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Yep. 14 is 180, give or take. That's a good guess. 15 is 720, and 16 is this cannot be determined.
Yep.
All right. Let's save our answers and submit the quiz.
Let's do it. %.
There we go. Not bad.
Good. Yeah. Sweet.
Right.
All right.
I will submit our names and the link.
All right. Does anyone have any questions, I guess, before we sign out?
We're going to do this every week, Monday and Wednesday then? Same time?
Yep.
I think that's the plan, yeah.
Okay. That'll work.
I'll send invitations again if you guys like.
That works.
Okay, that's good.
Alrighty. Anything else?
If we have any questions with Excel, you care if I send you an email, Sean?
Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Hey, go for it. I'll answer it.
Awesome.
All right.
Thanks, guys. See ya.
Thanks, guys. See ya.
Yeah. See ya.
Yeah.